Hey, this is Dr. B, and let's learn the common ions. Have a periodic table out if you need it. If you're ready to go for it in terms of pure memorization, do it that way. And let's begin. I'll try to pause after each one in case you want to treat this like a flashcard. Lithium refers to the lithium cation, group 1, Li+. Beryllium, that is group 2, so it will be Be2+. B3+ refers to the boron trication. Fluoride, that would be F-, group 7. Here's a polyatomic ion. That is a permanganate anion. Oxides are derived from oxygen, O2-. Sodium, group 1, Na+. Mg2+ must be magnesium dication. Aluminum, group 3, Al3+. Bromide, Br-. The bicarbonate, polyatomic, HCO3-. S2-, well, that's a sulfide. K+ comes from the potassium cation, group 1. Calcium, well, that's group 2, Ca2+. Here's a halogen, Cl-. That's chloride. Hypochlorite is the least number of oxygens in the ClO series, so that's ClO-. CrO4 2-, what's that? Chromate. Rubidium, group 1, Rb+. Sr2+, that must be strontium dication. The last stable halogen is from iodine, I-. 2 oxygens on that chlorite. Now we're up to chlorite rather than hypochlorite. Dichromate, Cr2O7, 2-. Another group 1 getting down the chart now. This is the cesium cation. Barium is group 2, Ba2+. 3 oxygens. We're now at chlorate. Francium is the very bottom of group 1, Fr+. If it's Ra2+, it's not radon dication because that is a noble gas. It's radium 2+. Nitrite, well, nitrogen with nitrite. It's not a nitrate, so this is NO2-. ClO4 is maxed out with oxygens. We're now at the perchlorate ion. Carbonate ion, very common, CO3 2-. NH4+, very common, the only really common polyatomic cation, ammonium. Zinc is an exception because although it's in the D block, it's never been observed to be anything except 2+, Cn2+. NO3- is very common. This is the nitrate anion, always soluble ions. This is not a bromide, it's a bromate, so it's BrO3-. This is not a sulfate, it is a sulfite, SO3 2-. Nitride is just nitrogen with its negative charge. 5 valence electrons, wants 3, N3-. Silver has never been observed to show any charge other than +1, Ag+. HSO4-, that's after sulfuric acid has lost 1 H+. This is the hydrogen sulfate ion, also known as the bisulfate anion. Iodate, not iodide, so this is IO3-. This is a fully loaded sulfur with 4 oxygens. This is the sulfate dianion. Just under nitrogen, phosphide will also be a -3, so P3- there. Hydroxide is a base, OH-. Several different representations, including C2H3O2-. That is the acetate anion derived from acetic acid. Cn-, that's a polyatomic ion with a -1 charge. It's called the cyanide anion. And finally, phosphate is the only -3 on this list that is polyatomic. This is the phosphate anion, PO4 3-. These are some common ions.